Reality capture in the development of a digital twin has changed the way we construct our world. From small structures to enormous landscapes, our physical world can be captured and digitally recreated in 3D with incredible accuracy, allowing for both visualization and manipulation of the data set. The benefits of reality capture begin early in the design phase. The digital twin, created through advanced reality capture techniques, provides designers, contractors, and owners with existing landscape, topography, and structures tied to real-world coordinates, providing a baseline for design, development, and backbone for 3D modeling within the context of the project space. Owners and contractors can use progressive data sets to quantify and validate construction progress as backup for progress billings, visual justification of work complete, and preparation of site logistics plans. While reality capture and digital twin development may have great benefit in the design and construction phases, it also serves as an incredible tool to the owners long after construction has ended. In San Jose, California, train control rooms at the newly built Milpitas Light Rail Station were scanned and modeled with rack locations for priority equipment during the commissioning stage of the project. A 3D model can provide an owner with detailed information on equipment such as physical location within the rack, equipment types, specifications, and installation date. Stations are not the only areas that benefit from reality capture. Spanning across miles of landscape, suburban neighborhoods, and major cityscapes, maintenance of the rail is a major undertaking. With miles of track and hundreds of way stations, prioritizing maintenance issues is not without its challenges. A digital twin coupled with high-resolution photogrammetry gives owners easy access to identify maintenance issues from the safety of their office. These issues can include vegetation overgrowth, which can lead to damaged property or safety issues. Drainage issues leading to water pooling can cause damage to the track, as well as health issues like stagnant water breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Such problems tend to go unnoticed along remote parts of the track. Track vandalism and damaged fences can be identified using the high-resolution photogrammetry, and forensic evaluation after major seismic activity can be performed using the 3D digital twin and comparing with previous models. At vScenario, we empower our clients with state-of-the-art tools and information needed to keep our rail and public transportation systems moving forward.